Hey, let me show you the speaker sound quality on the Redmi Note 13. For sure, I just turn on the Dolby Atmos and I set the graphic equalizer into the custom one on the default settings. Let's do this actually one more time. This is actually the default setup. So now this is actually on the highest quality. It's not. So let's turn it on. And now let's get it. Okay, so that's all. This is actually how the speakers sound on the Redmi Note 13. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.